I'm building the world's tallest, longest and fastest dive coaster. Yukon Striker opened in 2019 at Canada's Wonderland, and I'm taking on a huge project to build the entire thing out of K'NEX. Previously, we got to work designing and 3D printing a custom train for this project. And now that that was finished, we could finally start working on the main layout. As I do with all of my recreations, I began working on the station and the brake run, and then working backwards throughout the whole layout. This ensures that I can test and have enough speed for each element. And now that the station and the brake run were finished, it was time to start working on this helix, which is actually the final portion of the ride just before the brake run. This helix was just a little bit too tight of a turn for me to use the stiff rods, so I ended up using the flexible rods for this turn, which means it took a little bit longer for me to actually shape it correctly. But we got there in the end, and it was time to test out the train. So I've just set it up with 2 rows for now, not putting the second car on just yet. I wanted to see if this works clearance wise for that underneath section there that I've just built. Alright, it clears. Actually quite a lot of space as well. And once I knew the train passed its clearance test, it was time to build the rest of the helix, build the little airtime hill and give it a full test run. And with the first turn finished, it's time to give it a test run.